Hi guys, myself Shankar. Today I will show SQL interview questions. I gathered all SQL interview questions latest 2024 up to fresher to 3 plus years of experience. Like up to 8 years, these are the usable freshers and up to 8 years of experience. These questions are helpful. Fresher is helpful. These questions experience up to 8 years. These are the helpful. So first question, write an SQL query to check whether data passed to query is the data given format or not. So these are the latest questions 2014. So some of the questions I am also faced. Write an SQL query to print the name of the distant employee who date of birth is between this date to this date. Write an SQL query to query find number of employees according to gender whose date of birth is between this date to this date. These are the very important SQL interview questions. Write an SQL query to find an employee whose salary is equal or greater than 10,000. Write an SQL query to find all employee records containing the word J, regardless of whether it was stored as capital or small. Write an SQL query to find name of employee whose name starts with capital M. There is a table which contains 2 columns, student and marks. You need to find all the students whose marks are greater than average marks. List of above average students. Write an SQL query to find all employees which are belongs to HR department and gender are male. You have a composite index of 3 columns and you only provide the value of 2 columns in where clause of a select query. Which index be used for this operation? Describe Oracle databases physical and logical structure. What is check constants and which check options and default specification? What is the number of columns a table can have? What are transactional triggers? Give the uses of transactional triggers. Describe the use of row type and type in SQL, PLSQL. What is the difference between truncate and delayed? Difference between U and materialized U. Difference between producer and function. What is explicit and implicit cursors and examples? What do you understand by database and what is object in database? What is object in Oracle? These are the most important SQL questions, guys. Must prepare. What is a table? U and snapshot. Do a U contains data? What is join? Explain the different types of joins. Query to delete duplicate row from a table. Select nth highest value from a list of values. What is the maximum number of triggers can apply to a single table? Difference between row ID and row num. What is referential integrity and referential integrity constraint? What are advantages of truncate command over delete drop table command? What are steps involved in execution of SQL statement? Write a query to find maximum salary of each department. What is per command? What is with cause in SQL? Constants in SQL, unique, not null, check, primary, foreign key. These are the important, very important. Difference between delete vs drop vs truncate. This is also important. Implicit, explicit cursors in SQL. This is also most important. Difference between distinct vs unique. Difference between drop vs flashback vs pergo. How to find fifth highest salary in Oracle. How to revert last SQL statement. Indexes in SQL, primary key, composite primary key, foreign key. Differences they will ask. Write a SQL query to increment salary by 10%. What is sequence in SQL? Set operators in SQL. SQL injection problem and their types. SQL vs NoSQL. Sub-languages of SQL: DDL, DML, DQL. Data query language. DQL means TCL. Use in Oracle. What is log and types of logs in Oracle? What is difference between group by and window function in SQL? Difference between union vs union all. SQL is a case sensitive or not. Tell me few alter command attributes like alter, add, alter, modify, etc. Difference between commit vs rollback. What is grant and revoke in Oracle? Special operators in SQL like in, not in, between, is, null, like operator is important. Write a SQL query to get list of employees whose names contains 4 characters. What is intersect and minus operators in SQL? These are the set operators. Tell me few of aggregate or grouping functions. Sum, average, min, max, count. These are also important. What is distinct in SQL? Classes in SQL: where class, order by class, group by class, having class, roll up and cube. Write an SQL query to display employee salaries, assigning and designing order. These are also important. Write an SQL query to display employee details who are working in the department number is 20 and arranging those employees salaries in descending order. Write an SQL query to display number of employees working in each job. Write an SQL query to display number of employees working in each job along with department number wise. Write a query to display total salary of each job. These are the you can everyone prepare these questions. If anyone facing any problem, so comment in below this video, so I can make with some videos related to those questions. You can comment these which questions you are not able to solve, so those questions, so I can make a video for that. Write a query to display average, maximum and minimum salaries of each job wise. Write a query to display jobs from the table in which job a sum of salary is less than 6,000. Difference between where vs having. What is roll up and cube in Oracle? Explain about joins. These are the most important joins concept: inner join, outer join, natural join, cross join, equi-join, self join. They will ask what is the difference between self join and cross join, kind of. Also you can comparison also prepare. What is data integrity in Oracle? How many primary keys can we use per table? What is normalization in Oracle? For this each table one primary key only allowed. What is data dictionary in Oracle? Subquery, nested query related to programs. Like by using subquery we can like multiple select queries. Subquery is nothing but select query inside another select query is called subqueries. Write a subquery to display employee details who are getting the first salary in the organization. Write a subquery to display senior most employee from each department wise. Explain about pseudo columns like row num, row ID. What is rank function in Oracle? What is synonyms in Oracle? What is U1 types of use? Simple, complex to use are the types. What is merge, rank partition, list partition, as partition in Oracle? These are the features of Oracle 9. What are cursor attributes? Is open, found, not found, row count. What are stored procedure modes like in mode, output, in mode nothing but input, out mode nothing but output. These are the both input output. List of few predefined exceptions in Oracle. No data found, too many rows, zero divide, invalid number, value error, invalid cursor. This is also important one. Or to fetch all the records from employee who joining year is 2024. What is first and last function in SQL? Write a program to fetch a single row from the table. Write a cursor program to fetch the top 5 highest salaries employees details from the table. Write PLSQL program to display even number of rows from employee table using row num count attribute. Write an SQL query to retrieve all people who are born on the same day, month and excluding the year. Write SQL query to fetch the number of employees working in the department HR. Write a query to find number of employees whose date of birth is between this date and are grouped according to gender. Write an SQL query to fetch the department wise count of employees sorted by departments count in ascending order. Write an SQL query to find the second highest salary in employees. Write an SQL query to display the current date. Write an SQL query to display number of employees in each job from employee table by using group by. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than their manager's salary from employee table using subjoin. Write an SQL query to display the employees who are working in Smith department number from employee table. Write SQL query to find maximum salary of each department. Yeah, these are the most important interview questions. So you can everyone try to find the answers. If anyone unable to try to find the answers, please comment below those questions so I can make a videos for that. Yeah, these are the important interview questions. These are the latest interview questions for SQL related. These SQL interview questions are useful for Java developer, full stack SQL developers, Python developer also. So every project is SQL is common, database is common. So these are the important interview questions. So precision up to 8 years of experience. Thank you for watching.